Stop drawing hands like this. I think I just found a new method to draw hands, so instead you're gonna want to do this. Start off with a simple square shape for the palm. Now for the fingers, draw loop shapes. Okay, I know it sounds weird, but stay with me. This will help you get a better idea of where to place the fingers. Now all you need to do after this is outline the loop shapes. Bro, just look how much more accurate this hand is than the first one. Try this technique whenever you're bored in class, and you're welcome. Drawing someone yelling like this. This just looks incomplete and way too messy. So instead you're gonna want to do this. Start off with a simple oval shape for the mouth. Then draw a thin rectangle at the top for the teeth. Now draw a U shape for the bottom teeth. For the tongue, use a simple circle. Shade the sides in and add mini triangles for the gums of the teeth. Now add some lines to separate the bottom row of teeth and you're done. Now you can draw basically any anime character yelling. Practice this when you're bored in class and you're welcome. Stop drawing mouths from a side view like this. I know you're probably like, bro, who draws them like this? But trust me, there are way too many people that still do this. Anyways, instead you're gonna want to do this. Draw a simple slope for the top lip. Then draw the outline of the mouth. It can be however big you want. Hey, yo, pause. Anyways, now draw the same slope for the bottom lip. Now connect it to the chin with a curved line. Now draw 2 rectangles for the teeth and you're done. This looks way more natural and 100% better than the previous one. Now your characters won't look like they have a mouth on their cheek. You're welcome. Bro, just look how much more realistic and beautiful this eye looks. Now you won't be drawing any more boring eyes. You're welcome. Stop drawing lips like this. Bro, if you do this, I just know all of your characters look like that one guy from Monsters Inc. So instead, you're gonna want to do this. Draw a super stretched out M shape for the middle of the mouth. Then for the bottom lip, draw a stretched out U shape. Now for the top lip, use a tiny curved line. Add a tiny bit of detail and you're done. Now your characters won't look like they have constant lipstick on. You're welcome. Stop drawing shading like this. Bro, this looks way too messy and we just messed up a perfectly good Batman sketch. Come on, bro. To make your sketches look cleaner, you're gonna want to do this. Use the hatch method. All you gotta do is draw straight lines back to back in one direction. By the way, the quicker you move, the straighter your lines will be. Anyways, this will make all of your drawings look just that much cleaner. Now you can look like a professional when you draw. You're welcome.